Have you ever heard a sound so pleasant that it instantly calms your mind or makes you smile? That beautiful, sweet sound can be described with one powerful word: melodious. The word melodious means pleasant to hear, especially because the sound is smooth, musical, and well-balanced. It is commonly used to talk about voices, music, songs, or natural sounds that feel soothing and enjoyable. Melodious is pronounced as
meh,
lohds. It is an adjective, which means it describes a noun. When we say something is melodious, we are saying it has a sweet, musical quality. A singer with a soft, flowing voice has a melodious voice. A flute playing gentle notes creates a melodious sound. Even birds singing early in the morning can sound melodious. Let's look at some easy synonyms of melodious. Musical, sweet-sounding, harmonious, tuneful, and pleasant. These words all describe sounds that are enjoyable to listen to. Now, let's explore a few antonyms, or opposite words. Harsh, noisy, rough, and unpleasant. These describe sounds that hurt the ears or feel uncomfortable. Here are some real-life example sentences to help you understand better. She has a melodious voice that everyone loves to hear. The melodious sound of the piano filled the room with peace. Birds created a melodious chorus in the early morning. His speech was calm and melodious, making people listen carefully. Think about your favorite song or singer. The reason you enjoy it is often because it sounds melodious. This word is perfect when you want to describe beauty in sound. By learning words like melodious, you can express your feelings more clearly and speak English with confidence. Keep learning with Thesaurus Thrive.